Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix the YouTube video error 151 in Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guy who perfectly explained everything about this error. So as you can see guys right here, the title is YouTube video error 151 in Google Slides. The Google Slides presentation I've created keeps giving me the error code 151 when I play some, but not all, YouTube videos that have been embedded in it. I did some Googling and there is a lot of this spotted out. The reasons for the problem: the video is region coded, the video has an age restriction. This wouldn't be an issue in a personal account, but could be if you are using an educational account. And another reason could be the video has a copyrighted issue. So basically guys, those are the reasons, and the ways to fix the problem are: the first way is to disable the VPN or the proxy server. The other way is use a media player that supports all region code. So this guy said, I've looked into my videos from above and none of these are my issues. It also seems like a pretty new thing. Starting in the beginning of August 2023, I've updated the latest version of Chrome and clear my cache and cookies. Anyone have any info? Is this a new policy? How do I fix it? As you can see guys, this guy answered, this started happening at the university where I work. We discovered the age restrictions on permissions needed to be changed: location, apps, additional Google services, settings for YouTube, permissions. We originally had it at strict restricted YouTube access. We are changing it to moderate restricted YouTube access. Talk with your IT. Hope this helps. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.